So what's up everyone? Thanks again for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and Megan is behind the camera. And today we're going to show you some new detailing goodies we have in our arsenal. And we're going to work with them on this very dirty white Tesla. We're going to do some deep cleaning on the wheels. We're going to do some de-ironizing on the rear of the car, which is even worse. If you look here, how much deposits and contamination is on the rear bumper and the trunk lid. So now I'm gonna do the wheels fast on my way. So that means spraying that DCON V4. We can already see here also the new label. These are the liter bottles. You also have a half a liter as well as in 5 liter cans. It's not only the product, it's also the sprayer. You can direct it very precisely. Also inside of the wheels. We're gonna let this cure for also 60 seconds. I always use a dedicated bucket only for my wheels, and after every wash cycle I will clean my bucket and clean my brushes to keep it also clean. You can actually see here now how DCON V4 is reacting with brake dust particles, since it's coloring purple, quite some. And I've got a set out of 3, but you can also buy them you can also purchase them separately. The wheel woolies. In this case I'm using the medium wheel woolly, since it's fitting perfectly between the wheel's edge, or the inside of the wheel's edge of the barrel, and between the brake caliper. There we go. Now the cleaner is doing the working. I'm only making sure that I'm agitating everything. Here I've got my G09 brush, which goes perfectly for the front side of the wheels. I'm gonna let it glide over the spokes. DCON tire and trim remover. And for this I use a little bit of harder brush, in this case the nifty brush, to take down brown debris, brake dust, from the tire walls. is the nozzle open of the DCON light, which is still the old label. When this thing is shut down, you can hear me better. So this is still the old label of DCON light. Spray it on as a light mist, and it will also here react with brake dust or with metal particles. And with that, I save myself some clay barring, and the rear side will get squeaky clean. Yeah, we can see it, it's coloring, so it's working, and we just rinse it off and wash it off, easy peasy. Connect my snubby spray gun and rinse off those ferrous particles on the rear side of the car. Ooh, that's red. So, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope the difference between DCON V4 for the wheels and DCON Light for the decontamination and de-ironizing is clear in this video for you. If you didn't do it already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so every time we do an upload you get notified ASAP. As well as giving a thumbs up for this video, because it really helps us to grow into the YouTube algorithm and we can make more cool content on cars, bikes and trucks for you. Thanks again. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.